Hey guys, we received this Harahuri magnetic bamboo toaster tongs, 2 pieces for test and try. It's a 8.7 inches reusable heat resistant wooden toast tongs with a magnet for cooking. So it's a long natural wooden kitchen utensil for serving pickle, muffin bread or any other things. You can see the quality here. It's easy to carry on with a magnet on the top. So you can just stick it to the refrigerator for multiple purpose use. So the quality wise looks really nice with these bamboo tongs. And this way you can easily carry. I'm just showing some example of egg. Thus you can just take it down and you can just use it the tong anywhere. So you can also put it on the refrigerator with a strong magnet with the extra grip, and then it's good to have. So very nice design quality for the tongs to have for your kitchen use. Also use for the toaster, for the bread or anything you want.